Welcome to our fragrance lab. Today, I'll show you exactly how perfume is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The precise balance of these mixtures is crucial for creating long-lasting scent profiles, a process we monitor closely.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how perfume is made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.